is the material that we use for the reservoir and the hose. We use polyethylene, no maintenance required. You can leave water in them for extended periods of time by cleaning. If you use a sugar-based drink like Gatorade or anything with sugar in it, the sugar will grow bacteria. So the way that we've addressed that is we have a patented slider opening that allows you to get your entire hand in the system. So you can drain it really easily, you can put ice in really easily, folds over, seals air and water tight, a very durable closure, and that allows us to use a standard Nalgene thread and Nalgene opening. And the nice thing about this is almost all the commercial water filters, the pump style water filters, are made to fit Nalgene water bottles. So with this system, if somebody wants to filter water, they can actually screw it right onto the hydration system and filter water right into the hydration system instead of having to filter into a bottle and pour it into their hydration system. Another advantage to this system is because it's not so big, the filler caps tend to be really easy to get on and off. So some of these oversized filler caps are very unwieldy to use. They stick, they're hard to manipulate. This is just dead easy. One more advantage. A third thing that makes us different is we actually developed a new bite valve. One thing we wanted is we wanted something round. A lot of the bite valves on the market are actually require a direction, so you have to bite it in a certain way to get the flow going. This actually is omnidirectional. You shove it in your mouth, you bite, the flow is equal no matter where you bite it, and you don't have to worry about positioning in a certain direction. Another unique thing about this is a lot of the bite valves out there have bolt-on shut-off valves on the side. It's kind of unwieldy. They take up some room inside the tube. This actually has the shut-off built right into the valve. So to manipulate the shut-off, to lock it down for travel, all you do is you give it a turn, it's locked down, and when you want to open it, you open it, and then it's a regular bite valve and works like a regular bite valve. And the last thing that we do that's significantly different is we've developed within Source a new quick disconnect mechanism. You can see the button is recessed, goes in with a really easy snap, comes out with a snap. But the most important thing about this is this seals water. It's in with a really easy snap, comes out with a snap. But the most important thing about this is this seals watertight when you take the hose out. So the significant thing is if you have this in a ruck and the hose is routed up through all your gear, you can actually leave the hose in place, take this out, fill it up, bring it back, snap it in, and you're ready to go, and you don't have to snake and unsnake, resnake, unsnake, resnake the hose to all your gear every time you want to fill it up. And I think that's pretty much it.